Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. If you caught yesterday's video, you saw us dive into Bitcoin's potential for an upside move after it hit a wick over $58,000. Today, we're going to explore what might signal that Bitcoin is ready for a significant move in the short to medium term. Bitcoin has been trading sideways, and as we approach the middle of September, this pattern is crucial. Historically, Thursdays are known for low volatility, often closing slightly negative. Since early 2024, we've seen an average gain of 2.25% and a loss of 1.75%. Let's talk numbers. For the upside, we're watching the 58,500 to 58,800 range. On the downside, support is around $56,000, but it's yesterday's wick low at $55,645 that's critical. If Bitcoin dips below that, we might see a retest of September's lows, potentially dropping toward $53,000 or even lower. Now, considering we're past the typical early September lows, which in past election and halving years occurred around the 2nd or 8th, the current situation is encouraging. Daily momentum has been pointing upwards since September 9th, showing a bullish divergence. And on the 5-day chart, we've got a green dot today, suggesting that if we close above $58,000, we might see continued upward momentum. This level is crucial across multiple timeframes, making it a key pivot point. On the weekly chart, while it's not fully bullish yet, we're getting closer. The good news is that the longer we stay sideways, without a significant breakdown, the better our chances for a rally later this month. Yesterday, we saw some beautiful short liquidations at 57,481, just as we marked in our previous video. With the market showing low volatility, which typically benefits Bitcoin bulls, we could be on the cusp of some significant action. Switching gears to the DXY, when the dollar index weakens, Bitcoin tends to rally. So if the DXY drops toward the 100 area, that could be another push for Bitcoin to move higher. However, it's important to keep our expectations in check. If Bitcoin trades below $58,000, we might see a retest of September's lows, possibly leading to a breakdown. Until then, hope for a rally remains, but we need to stay cautious as we approach the end of September. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin's next move? Drop your comments below. And see you in the next one.